Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Cute Drawing!
Hello little artists! Today we're going to draw the cutest smiling flower ever. Get your paper, black marker, and colorful crayons ready. Let's make this happy flower bloom together. If you love cute drawings, tap the like button and subscribe for more fun. Oh no! This little flower is feeling lonely. Can we make it bright and beautiful together? Let's draw its pretty petals one by one. Like this video and subscribe please.
Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
Like this video and subscribe please.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Now color them with lovely pink, so pretty. Wow, our happy flow.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Look, this cute flower is yellow. Let's color it together.
A,